Handicap 26 here, just at Tips, Repairs, and Hobbies. I want to take this time to show you what files you need on MakerWorld to list your own model that you create. I created this model, Monster Fights, and let's not look at these. These are not important, but these are the files you need. You need a STL file with the name, okay, monsterfight.stl. Okay, you need a picture of the item that you printed after it's done. So you have to print the item, take a picture of it, and you have to have um, the name of it. I have a different name here, but that's okay. But you can leave the JPEG, and you put monsterfight.jpg. You need that file, okay? You also need a 3MF file. It has to say monsterfight.3mf. Then you need a G code, okay? Monsterfight.gcode 3mf, okay? What I want to tell you here, you need all the same name, okay? And it's all case sensitive. So you got to make it all the same name, okay? When you load on MakerWorld, your model, after you create it. I create mine sometimes using AI, mostly AI, in a program I use, and then I use Bambu Lab, and I convert it to an STL file or a 3MF file, mostly an STL file. Now, why I say that is the STL file, people can manipulate all they want. They can put the colors in, they can make it any size they want. They can, like I said, mostly work that with the STL file. Um, so that's one of the most important ones. They're all important, but the 3MF file and the G code file, um, they'll be set to, whatever you make this, they'll be set to this and this, okay? So if you make this 150 millimeters, you export it 150 millimeters to 3MF and G code 150 millimeters. That's the size, the scale, okay? So, and I recommend also um, in your description that you can scale the STL file up if you'd like. I don't give many permissions on MakerWorld. Mostly I stay, because I own the model that way. And that's what I want to show you. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Pretty simple. Just keep all the names the same when you export them. When you export from Bambu Lab, you go export and then you monster fight. Then you have to export a G code. So let me know. Please give the thumbs up and rate this video. And hype the video, please. It helps me a lot. See you next time. Bye for now.